Hello everyone, today we're unboxing the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2. Let's see if this neckband earphone live up to the hype. The box itself is pretty standard OnePlus. Clean design with a nice picture of the earphones on the front. This is the back side of the box. It looks pretty sleek. Let's crack this open now. So we'll pull this out. And the earphone in the beautiful jazz green color. Keeping this aside, we'll check what else are there in the box. Here is a small part, one by one. First, first up we are having some extra ear tips in different sizes for a perfect fit. A user manual with some quick instructions, cable club which might have some cool benefits. A on one end and USB-C on the other for fast charging. Now I'll take this out. This earphone comes in a very awesome looking jazz green design which looks pretty slick. They're built with a comfortable lightweight silicone material, so hopefully they won't feel bulky around the neck. This earphone comes with a built-in mic. It can play at 20 hours of music at one charge, and the detailed review video is on the way, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.